The emerald ash borer is an invasive species native to Asia, is now a threat in Michigan. They threaten the ash trees, especially in northern hardwood forests. They feed on the healthy trees in Asia. Some trees help the population by rejecting the beetle. This is their only form of population control. Now to Logan in the field.
Here we are in Michigan near the ash trees that are suffering due to the emerald ash borer. They feed on the leaves specifically before mating. Larvae feed on the inner bark of the trees, which proves to be detrimental to the tree's health, while adults feed on the leaves. Feeding on the inner bark disrupts the tree's ability to transfer water and nutrients throughout the body of the tree. Now Ryan will describe the physical components of the emerald ash borer.
You can see that the emerald ash borer is mainly a metallic green color, and an adult size is roughly 10 to 13 millimeters in length. This species can range in a variety of different metallic colors, with the upper side of their abdomen being copper red. These beetles are a predator to the ash trees all over.
Emerald ash borers thrive in the winter season. They can survive in negative 22 degrees weather. During the warmer months, these beetles take 17 to 19 days for their eggs to hatch. In 64 to 73 degrees, they are able to hatch around 40 to 70 eggs.
I'm here with emerald ash borer specialist Christina to interview more about them. What effects do they have on the food chain?
The emerald ash borer is an invasive species, meaning no other animals eat it. The population cannot be controlled by other animals.
How fast are the emerald ash borers spreading?
They have spread 23 states and up to 2 provinces in Canada.
Do you have any advice about the emerald ash borer?
No, there is not much to do for the invasive species as of right now, but I encourage everyone to help protect the spreading of all invasive species.
Thank you.
I'm here to describe the emerald ash borer in the food chain. The emerald ash borer, feeding on the inner bark, disrupts the tree's ability to transfer water and nutrients throughout. The food chain starts with the producers, who make their own food out of sunlight. Next is the primary consumers, who eat food produced by other organisms. Next is the secondary consumers, who feed on herbivores. Next would be the top predators. They eat plants, primary and secondary consumers.
There are a few solutions to these beetles. You can spray an insecticide on your ash tree to tame the problem of emerald ash borer beetles, or additionally, you could perform a soil drench on your trees. Since these beetles feed on the bark of the tree, if you apply the insecticide to the soil so it travels through the roots and into the bark of the tree, it makes sure that the beetle's food is infected and provides an easier and more effective way of eliminating the problem of the emerald ash borer.
This is all the updates that we have on the emerald ash borer in Michigan.